Hey there! If you're looking to manage your iCloud Drive files on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Whether you want to organize your stuff, get rid of unnecessary items, or move things around between folders, I've got you covered. It's super easy to do, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Alright, let's dive in. Solution 1. Access iCloud Drive. First, open up the Files app on your iPhone. Then tap Browse at the bottom of the screen. After that, under the Location section, tap iCloud Drive. This will show you all the files and folders stored there. Solution 2. Organize files and folders. Create a new folder. Tap the More button. It's the three dots in the upper right corner. Then tap New Folder. Now just name your folder and hit Done. Move files. Tap Select in the upper right corner, then choose the files you want to move. After that, tap Move at the bottom of the screen and pick the destination folder within iCloud Drive. Rename files. Tap and hold the file you want to rename, then select Rename from the menu that pops up. Enter the new name, then tap Done. Solution 3. Share files. Tap and hold the file you want to share, then tap Share from the menu. Now choose how you'd like to share the file, whether through messages, mail, or AirDrop. It's all up to you. Solution 4. Delete files. First, tap Select in the upper right corner. Next, choose the files you want to delete. Then tap the trash icon at the bottom of the screen to delete them. Just a heads up, deleted files go to the recently deleted folder where they can be recovered within 30 days if needed. Solution 5. Download the files for offline access. Tap and hold the file you want to download. Now tap Download from the menu. The file will then be available offline right in your Files app. Solution 6. Search for files. Open up the Files app, then tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now enter the name of the file you're looking for and you'll find it in no time. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage all your iCloud Drive files right from your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.